What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video. Today we're looking at the SoundPEATS Air 4. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you want to get one of these. I'll link this down below. So everything will be down there in the description. Everything is an affiliate link as well, so that it does help out the channel a lot if you buy one from there. So let's go ahead and open this up. Basically, this is a new earbuds from SoundPEATS. We've reviewed a few SoundPEATS earbuds here, and this is just one of them. And there's a few improvements on there compared to the other ones. So go ahead and check it out. It's the earbuds right here. There's a little light down there. See how well it fits. It fits kind of different here now. Feels better actually. Cool. Let's see what else we get in the box here. Inside we get a charging cable, USB-C, and that's really it. As usual, we get the literature up here as well. Just gonna show you here the app as well and the controls for it. That's really it for the box. Let's grab our phone, connect it to the Bluetooth. There it is, it's connected. And then we're gonna download the SoundPEATS app. Right there. Make sure that you also have an account there. And pretty much it'll automatically just connect, as you could see there, as soon as it's connected to your phone via Bluetooth. So from here, you're gonna see the battery indicators up there. Really nice. There's also the volume control up there, adaptive EQ. Which is you need to test for so that it'll actually adapt to whatever ears you have. There's presets as well, as you can see here: bass reduction, electronic, fashionable, and then there's the custom EQ, which you can customize yourself, as you can see here. You know, for those of you who are pretty crazy on your sounds. I don't really know how to use this, but this is something useful for sure for audiophiles out there. That's really it for the app. Let's go ahead and test this out for a song or for music. About halfway there on the song here. It's pretty loud. It has a lot of bump. Sounds really good. Let's try sounds here for, like, you know, like if you're talking, if you're watching, listening to a podcast or something like that. Okay. Yeah, it's really good as well. Nice sound for audio, for the vocals. Yeah, so if you're listening to like a YouTube channel, listening to someone talk, or maybe even like a podcast, this is really good for that as well. Now it has noise reduction as well, as you could see there. Noise reduction right there, and it'll be different. Right now, pretty much we have the ANC mode, and yes, it muffles the sound. You can't really hear anything. Pretty good. Everything is pretty much isolated. Really nice. Now the SoundPEATS Air 4 has the adaptive active noise cancellation. It also has an AptX Lossless transmission, along with the compatibility of aptX Adaptive HD and the low latency with the HD audio decoding as well. It supports a transmission rate of 24-bit by 96 kilohertz. aptX Lossless transmission technology enables ultra-fast and ultra-high bandwidth sound processing, delivering each musical note with precision to your ears. This achieves wireless lossless audio quality. So there's also touch controls here. So as you can see here, if you want to lower the volume, you just tap once. And then if you want to increase the volume, you just tap once on the other side. If you want to pause, just double tap. This will also apply on, like, if you want to answer phone calls. Triple tap will bring up game mode on one side. And then the other one will actually bring up Siri. There it is. If you wanna hit the next song, 1.5 tap on one side. There it is. And then if you want to change from ANC to normal mode, you just gotta hold it for about 2 seconds. Now we have the SoundPEATS right here. Air 4. Let's do a shake test. Now if you're working out, right? Need that. Yeah, pretty good. Doesn't fall off your ears. Feels pretty comfortable. What we can do as well is a little bit of gaming, Call of Duty here. We have the game mode on as well on the SoundPEATS Air4. Sounds really good as well on the earbuds here. It's a nice bass as well. Let's see if we can figure this out here. Let's see here. There's a guy right there. Boom. You can really hear the footsteps as well. That's good. There's one right there. Let's do this. There's one right there though. There you go. It's right behind me, bro. That's right, bud. Got him. Last kill. Almost died there. Let's do this. Let's fire him up. Jeez. Oh. Kill still. Oh, there's one right there. Boom. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it for gaming as well. It's really nice on the base there, and also you can see here the footsteps. Really good if you're like into the mobile gaming. And that's really it, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new earbuds just like this one. If I was able to help you, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.